In this video, you will learn how to convert JPG image to PDF file. Currently, you can see here I have a JPG image and I will convert into a PDF file free of cost. I will close this one and this one is the image. Firstly, we will check the properties of this image. Select this one, right click, go to properties and check the file type. Currently, you can see here it is a JPG image. And I will convert this one into PDF. I will close this one. For conversion, I will use a PDF tool, which is the iLovePDF. Go to Google. Currently, you can see here, I have opened the Google. I will type iLovePDF. Open this site. I will also provide the link in description for your convenience. Now go to all PDF tools, select this one and you will find different options. Go to convert to PDF and here is the option of JPG to PDF. Select this one. Now upload your file. You can select JPG image or you can drop JPG image here. I will select JPG image. Click here. Now select JPG image. This is the image which I want to convert into PDF file. I will select this one and click on open. Now image is uploaded. Now there is a different options. First one is the page orientation. It is the page orientation of final PDF file. I will select portrait. You can also select landscape according to your requirement. Here is the option of page size. Click here, you will find different options. First one is the fit. You can use this option if you require same page size as image, or if you want to customize page size, you can use A4 or US letter. I will select A4. Then third option is the margin. You can select no margin for PDF file or small margin or big margin. I will choose no margin. After selecting all these options, simply click on convert to PDF and your file will be converted to PDF. This file will be mostly automatically downloaded, or you can click on download PDF to manually download it. You can see here the file is already downloaded. I will open the folder and let's check this file. You can see here this file is converted into PDF. This one is the JPG file and this one is the PDF file. I will open it. Now you can see here we have successfully converted JPG image to PDF file. If I close this one and after selecting this one, right click, go to properties option, you can observe that file type is now PDF. So by following this tutorial, you can easily convert JPG image to PDF file. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.